Sunday, but we're eating in Fridays. Join us. And he's looking at steak. She's looking at steak. Complimentary nachos. Mango tango, swimming in the jungle naked. That's the drink today. I am having San Pellegrino, pressed from the mountains of Italy and shipped to Davao. Wow, look at that. Softail. Abreeza Mal's got a car show today and a bike sale, or a bike show should I say. Fat boy, that's a fat tyre. Look at that. A BMC Mini left-hand drive, red. Very, very nice. Transverse engine. Looks like it's got a turbo on it. Very, very, very nice. Hands off, please. Well, yeah, you could put it in your pocket. It's that small. Designed in the 50s by Ingersonis. Yeah. Became a fashion icon in the UK in the 60s. Won the Monte Carlo Rally twice with a guy called Hopkins. Got one of these lovely American electric glides. Doesn't know whether it wants to be a comfortable bike or a small car. There we go. Quality is our priority. Looks very, very nice. What are we doing over here? Still not found Annie, but George turned around and brought me round here. It's a nice bike, nice Harley. Beautiful, looks very, very nice. It's Kawasaki. Looks nice, isn't it? Wow. What do we got here? So we got a looks like a 350 fastback. No, it's 360 orange. Looks like the Bullet car, doesn't it? By Steve McQueen. Chevy 1954. Is it the Bel Air? Nice, 4-door. Chrome works very, very nice. Low rider, fat tyres, fat wheels, hands off, left hand drive. Oh, Ford Escort, European spec. Yeah. Nice engine, a little bit bigger than the Ford block that it used to come with. Lightweight rally car. Jim Clark used to race one of these. Very nice. Oh, Mark II Mustang. Nice, very, very, very nice. So this is a European style car from the 70s, and this is an American style car. Look at the difference in the size. How big are these cars? Very, very nice. Those are 50s, 70s, 60s. 70s fastback. I found that cars in the 70s going into the 80s were all getting bigger and bigger and heavier and heavier. But you look at it and you think to yourself, I prefer something that's like this. I prefer something you can sit in, it's comfortable to ride. Thank you. Yes. There we go. So, very, very, very nice. You could get the back of this car in the boot of that car. Amazing, isn't it? Very, very well put together, very, very well restored. They're looking pristine. Set of bikes. Got the Triumph. These are all based up in Bahada, up on JP L'Oreal. Beautiful, very well made. Oh, I like that bike. Single seat. Pomelo and squid salad. Oh, look at that. Ooh. We're waiting for Annie's pork and we're waiting for my Pacific pork. We're going for coffee today, but we're listening to Beat 2000.
Win radio, win radio, win radio, win radio, win radio, win radio.
Oh, look, it's the parsley tree of life. Do you know what parsley is? This is flat leaf. Flat leaf. Pork. Salads. And he's got... What have you got? Making faces already because you don't like the taste. Why are you making faces?
It's 2 onions.
Too many onions. There we go.
The taste is very strong.
So, more and more vegetables. We're going to have a cup of coffee today. Annie's buying.
Oh, I'm full today.
There we go. Empty belly, but it will be full in 10 minutes. What are you having for Sunday lunch today? Are you enjoying the hospitality of Davao City?